We're going to measure based on the instructions, which are in centimeters, but you know, most of us here in the US just use inches.
What is the next 1.5, right?
Yeah, 1.2, 1.5. Our tape measures don't have centimeters on them.
Grab my square.
Okay.
Square.
And they want you to use these screws to secure it together. Not quite entirely sure why they don't just give us, you know, the full solid piece and the extensions like they do for the main 8x8 house. But instead, get to use these things. These things like to shoot out everywhere, like bullets.
Reinforcing with all the different brackets actually did work out. One thing to notice is that I don't know if you could see in the time lapse, but I was hoisting up the roof frame, the apex of the roof frame, with my shoulder and tightening it up as I did it.
Gotta definitely lift it up because it wants to sag.
Yeah, because otherwise you're just going to reinforce the sag. So, that known, lift up, tighten, 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 tighten. Good. Go to the next one. Again. My shoulder's a little bit sore.
I recommend putting a pot holder or something, a buffer. That aluminum's a little
Well, I'm tough.
unforgiving.
I'm tough, so I can do it. But we did it. So, yeah. After that, then it definitely held the, the roof,
The roof line
level.
didn't sag so much.
Yeah. So it's today was basically just reinforcing, right?
Yeah.
No real.
It didn't feel like we made a hell of a progress, but in essence we did. After work, less hours, so we did pretty good.
Yep.
I think tomorrow, after we do the final brackets, the W-shaped brackets that hold up the walls, we finally get to put in some panels and some roof tiles.
More progress, at least visually.
Yes.
Eye wash. So after today, then yeah, eye wash.
We're getting down. There's less pieces in the box. One thing we did notice though is that the extensions for the brackets, they give you the full size bracket for the 8x8, but the extensions they give you half size, and you have to piece them together with pieces of metal
With self tappers going,
and drill them together.
which is, I don't know. If they're listening, I would say go ahead and have those holes pre-drilled and have them, I don't know, machined.
At least to
Machine
start.
thread through.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense, right? I mean, you know where they're supposed to be.
Yeah. Even though the little metal piece inside is what you're biting into, it should have a starter hole. Otherwise, they want to wander everywhere.
Yeah. No, I mean,
We ended up
If it's a
self-tapping our own holes.
this is a kit, so why should we be machining our own holes through our own aluminum?
Yeah.
I mean,
Either that or just
no
give us the full
problem.
length.
I got it, but I'm just saying, it's like we bought a kit, so why are we doing that?
So that's a good idea. Just drill your own pilot holes first before shoving it in there, because those screws like to go wonky wherever they want to go.
Don't. I mean, sure, go balls to the wall if you want to. Screw those suckers in, but they're just gonna go wonky on you. So
Yeah.
I did it a couple times, and I said no, enough's enough. I just drilled my pilot holes and just made it happen. So.
But so far, that's the only complaints we had with this part of the day.
Yeah. No,
It went pretty easy.
Yeah, few hours we had after work, so
Yep.
this is what we did.
Alrighty.
All right.
Stay tuned for tomorrow.